Good morning. My name is Kelsey Ruff-Smith, and I am the Director of Programs with the Community Foundation for Ocala, Marion County, Florida. And joining me this morning is Jennifer Martinez, Executive Director of Marion Senior Services. Hi, Jenny. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you.
I am so glad that you are here. Marion Senior Services is such a staple in our community. Can you tell us a little bit, for those who are not familiar with your organization, what your nonprofit does, who you serve, and what needs you fill?
Sure. We have been within Marion County for over 45 years. We are the lead agency for the Department of Elder Affairs when it comes to seniors in our community. So we help with respite, we do homemaking, personal care, home delivered meals, congregate dining, typically, obviously not right now. We also serve as the community transportation coordinator for Marion County with Marion Transit. So different service pillars: nutrition, in-home support, and transportation.
Great. And I know that, like you said, not right now with the congregate dining. What are some of the impacts that the coronavirus outbreak has had, and what are some of your biggest challenges right now?
Sure. So all of our service lines were touched in some way. Congregate dining sites, anything that we do as groups, had to be minimized. So in Marion Transit, for example, we had to reduce exposure. So we're running about 50% capacity. We've closed all of our congregate dining sites and have given shelf-stable meals to all of those clients. And then still delivering home delivered meals, just not going into the homes, placing the stuff outside. Some of the biggest challenges that we've had as an agency, there's actually been two. Safety, obviously, is one of them, not only for our clients, but for our staff and volunteers as well. The majority of our staff and volunteers are 65 and over. Many of them are retired and want to give back, and this is the way of them doing that. So safety, definitely. Communication was also another big piece. With so many changes in policies and regulations, we're guided by handbooks. That's normally our Bible, our agency Bible. And the department has been so great in allowing us as a community to figure out how to best serve the needs. We had to communicate that with, internally. So working remote and having everybody still maintain that communication was a challenge, and probably our best opportunity because it allowed our staff to be quite creative in our service implementation.
That's great. So it sounds like even with some challenges, you have a few things that you can be proud of through all of this. What are your favorite silver moments from all of this?
So, with saying communication is our biggest challenge, I think it was our biggest opportunity and triumph too. We've had to really come together as a team, a lot of Zoom meetings, a lot of conference calls. Them giving us the leniency and the permission to do what we need to do. We've really taken the time to make sure that we're maintaining all of our guidelines, at the same time maintaining all of our safety procedures. I'm very proud of our staff for being creative, having that first responder kind of heart. We're not first responders, but nobody backed down. A lot of our meals drivers, with having said that they're over 65, many of them refuse to take time off because they want to maintain that relationship and have some sort of normalcy, I guess, in all of this. And they don't want strangers going up to the homes. So they refuse to take time off. So they're still showing up and doing that every day. Same thing with transit. The majority of the people that we're taking are dialysis patients, and they know that without that trip, those folks wouldn't have a normal life. So very proud of my team. Very, very proud.
That's great. That sounds amazing. I love the happy stories that are coming out of all of this craziness. So I know that also this is probably giving you all some needs. How can people help you right now, or who is it that you need help from today?
So we really need help with home delivered meals, and also our new program that we just started yesterday. We partnered with Mojo's, and we're going to be partnering with other restaurants around the county, more on the outskirts, to make sure that every senior has access to food. So right now with home delivered, we are serving a little over 300 meals a day. On top of that, through the restaurant component, we're going to be adding another 500. So we really need to build our workforce. So we're hiring drivers right now for home delivered meals in the restaurant. And then we're also asking for volunteers. We really need volunteers to help us get this done. We've pretty much doubled our meal component and getting that out. So volunteers would be our biggest need right now.
That's fantastic. Yeah. Okay. So those who want to help, give us the best way that they can reach out and contact you.
Or our main line, 352-620-3501. Again, 352-620-3501. And then my email is jmartinez@marionseniorservices.org.
Fantastic. Well, Jenny, this has been great. Is there anything else you want to share before we end today?
I'm just really proud of our community. I was telling Commissioner Stone yesterday, she helped us deliver the meals, how anytime we've ever had any need in our community or any challenge has arisen, our community embraces each other and we come together. So I'm proud of my team. I'm proud of our community for just all of this. So way to go.
Yeah, way to go. Indeed. I love it. Well, Jenny, it's great to see you and I hope to see you again soon. And let us know if there's anything else we can do to help.
Thank you, Kelsey, very much.
Yeah, no problem. Take care. Bye.